Troubleshooting an LG electric range burner that is not working. If a cooktop burner on your LG electric range is not working, there are 3 possible causes. Number 1 is a communication issue with the circuit board. If the other burners are working and the display is responding to selections, the first step is to reset the unit to clear any miscommunications with the control panel. To reset the unit, locate the circuit breaker or fuse in your home that supplies power to the range. Turn the breaker or fuse off and allow 1 to 2 minutes to pass for the power to completely discharge. Turn the breaker or fuse back on, then go back to the range and test the burner again. After resetting the unit, if the burner still does not work, the second possibility might be the heating element itself or the connection to the element or circuit board. In this case, the unit will require repair service. Please visit our Request a Repair page. The third possibility for the burner not working could be an incoming power issue, where the range is not receiving the proper voltage. The connection may not be wired correctly, have a bad ground, or not be on a direct circuit. These issues can be related to installation and/or may require an electrician. For further assistance, you can easily find our contact information on the LG.com website. Go to the support menu to ask us more questions.